Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to the heart of the Smithsonian. We're inside the National Air and Space Museum, surrounded by the greatest icons of aviation and space exploration. From the dawn of flight to the edge of the galaxy, there is so much to see in these galleries. I'm going to be taking you through some of the most incredible artifacts ever built. So let's get started and enjoy exploring this amazing place.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.